Folks, coming back at you, and with another video. Been absent for a minute, but I'm back. I'm alive. All is well. And we'll have way more content coming soon. Stay tuned to this one. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. We're kayak fishing, big fish and small fish. Folks, today we are fishing off a kayak. I got a kayak for my birthday. Thanks to all the family members. My family got me a kayak for my birthday. I fished one. Excuse the mess a little bit. I might have a setup video coming soon. But oh, got one. What I get. Ooh. And it's a crappie. It's a crappie. Exactly what I came out here to get. Crappie fishing off a kayak, folks. Heck to the hold on. Gotta put them in the basket real quick. He's 9 inches, so it's going in here. And this is going over the side. Just like right here. Drop it right here. Real quick. Tie this off. And let's go drift again. So while I'm going back to the place where I start, tell you a little bit about what's going on here. So we got some strong wind today. Well, they're not too strong, but for a kayak, it's got a little choppy. And what I'm doing is I found me a little path of where the fish were biting, and I come back to that spot every time and drift with the wind. It's called drift fishing. See you in a minute. Okay, so we're back at our spot. So here's what I'm doing. I got 2 jigs, one top, one bottom, heavier one on the bottom, of course. Cast out there a little ways. This is my heavier rod. We got 2 heavy jigs on here, and then on this rod, I got 2 different jigs, but these are way lighter. So that way I can cover the water column a little better. Find where they're at, what's going on, and then we're drift with the wind, just like this. We sit and wait. I got me a Garmin right here. Bought it today. We will see what's going to happen. I still got to set up the Garmin, got to give me a mount and everything, but temporarily it shows where the fish are at, which works perfectly. I missed it. Off we go. I hope you guys can see the rods. Trying to point that way a little bit. Oh yeah, I got a little crappie. We're just a bunch of snagging big fish. It's fun though, when they pull you around a little bit. Hopefully I can get you guys a big fish on camera here pretty soon. It's been one of them years, guys. Sorry for not posting videos for a while. But I am back. And we will be fishing you guys will see a lot of fishing videos off of the kayak, because this opens up a lot for me. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you good content. Yep, got one. Yep, got something real big. Let's get this baby reeled up real quick. Alright, and let the fight begin. I wonder what it is. Probably a big gar or something. But nevertheless, it's fun. They may be out of the way. Guys, I can't explain how much fun it is catching these big fish off of the kayak. Plus I'm fishing with 4-pound line, really light tackle. I'm out here to catch crappie, but I've been hooking up to these big guys. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Don't get him under, don't. How am I gonna land you? Ooh, it's a gar. Yeah. I hope that's caught on camera. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Let me release you that quick. Ooh. It's not huge, but nevertheless, a fun little catch. I wish I had gloves, because these suckers got teeth. We'll do this. Let me grab you by the nose real quick. Come on, get your nose out. There we go. You just never know what you're gonna hook drift fishing like this. Ooh. Well, I'm about to bottom out the transducer. That won't be good. Just like that. And let's release it. Bye-bye. Let me know in the comments below, folks, what kind of fish you guys want me to see, what kind of fish you guys want me to catch off the kayak. I'm gonna try to do my best to go get them. Got him. There we go. All right, there you go. So much fun. It's crazy. I hope the sun ain't too bad. Woo, come on, baby. Come on. 4-pound line, guys. I don't know. People might say that I'm crazy fishing with 4-pound line. Well, you know what? I have all the fish I need in the freezer to eat. And this is just a blast. Catching them big fish on a real light tackle. Can't beat them. Woo! Is that an alligator? Is that it? Is that a spotting? Woo! Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-da-da-da-dum, ta-da-da-da-da. Look at that. Ooh. Right by the eyeball. Ta-dum, there she goes. Safe and sound. Guys, I am leaving the water now. And I appreciate all you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay safe. God bless you guys.